Truth has been divided into three kinds, semicolon. Truth about things, semicolon. Truth about thought about things, semicolon. And truth in the accurate expression of thought about things, full stop. According to ancient authorities, truth could be said to be a correspondence between thought and thing, full stop. It seems perfectly easy for anyone to think accurately about a thing with which he is quite well acquainted, full stop. But the case is not quite so simple as that, and there is, without doubt, a great deal to be said before it can be called simple, full stop. Suppose an unfortunate accident occurred in a London street, and that 6 people witnessed the accident, and were asked to relate exactly what had happened, full stop. It is quite certain that we should receive different accounts from each of them, full stop. The result would not be a correspondence between thought and the thing thought about, semicolon, and so the statements would not be true, full stop. It is to be regretted that limited space prevents a more extended argument, though we could extend it if we cared to do so, full stop, close.